Okay, hello. So I'm Ajit Putgarikar, and in this video, I will highlight some of the key security risks in our e-commerce project that we were using all these days. How DevSecOps tools like Docker Scout can help us secure our container images. The goal is to make sure we show that security is not an afterthought, but an integrated process of the entire CI/CD process. So we were mainly working with order service, product service, and front end, and all of them have these. The backend services all work on the Python 3.10 Slim Buster image as the base image, and the front end works on the Nginx Alpine image. So in this video, I will try to find out the vulnerabilities and any like exposures that are possible through these base images. For that, I installed Docker Scout, as you can see here. Yeah, Docker Scout was installed on my machine, Docker Scout. And I first checked out the Docker Scout. I got a quick view on the Nginx Alpine image, and it showed that it didn't have any critical high or medium vulnerabilities, but it had two low-level vulnerabilities. I further investigated it with the command Docker CVEs, or yeah, and we are able to find out exactly what vulnerabilities are present. We can press Control click and get a more high overview. This is the link for the same. And we can see that the tar archive has some file names hidden from listing. We can Google this further and try to avoid this vulnerability in our application. Similarly, we use the Python 3.10 Slim Buster image. This had slightly more vulnerabilities, as you can see from here. So there are Uh, so there are essentially two high, one medium, and one low vulnerability in the Python 3.10 Slim Buster, which is more dangerous. If we want to see the high and the critical vulnerabilities, the high vulnerabilities can be seen from this link. This is essentially the link for the same. Can press this one as well. So there is a part traversal vulnerability in package index, and if we scroll down, we get more details. There is some bug in the path.join function, which allows essentially use attackers to write files to arbitrary locations on the file system. So this can be exploited and cause damage to our system. So by using Docker Scout, we are able to navigate what vulnerabilities could be exploited in our application, and we can try to debug and reduce them before we push our application to production. That's it.